All right, the last example that we're going to do is just solving for x. So if you, excuse me, if you look at this angle here, we can see that this is a central angle because its vertex is the center of the circle. And this arc right here is its intercepted arc. And we know from before that the angle and the arc have the same measure. So if this arc is 96 degrees, then what that means is that this angle is also 96 degrees. So if we're trying to solve for x, all we have to do is say 3x is equal to 96, solve for x, which means divide by 3, and so x is equal to 32 degrees. Same thing over here. We can see that this is a central angle and this is the intercepted arc right here. And we know that if the angle is 114 degrees, then the arc itself is also 114 degrees. So on this one, we would set this up as 6x plus 6 is equal to 114 degrees. Excuse me. Divide both of these by 6 to get x by itself, and x is equal to 18 degrees. On the assignment, you may have to use some other concepts that you know, such as there are 360 degrees in a circle, there are 180 degrees in a semicircle, and a semicircle is defined by the diameter going through the center. The assignment for this one is the 5.8 arcs and central angles worksheet.